The taillight unit on the W204 is a single piece. While you can replace the bulbs without removing the unit, you cannot replace the lens separately. You can replace the bulbs by using the access panel on each side of the rear of the trunk, red arrow. To access the right side, open the fuse panel access and reach in towards the rear, red arrow. The left side access panel just unfolds from the rear. You can remove the bulb panel from the housing by disconnecting the wiring connection by squeezing in the tabs and removing the wiring connection. Then gently squeeze the tabs and pull the panel from the housing, yellow arrows. You can now remove the bulb panel from the vehicle to change the bulbs. All the bulbs are push and turn. Gently push the bulb into the base and turn it to remove and install. Make sure to check and clean the connections in the panel before installing a new bulb. Try to not touch the bulbs with your bare skin, as the oils from your skin can cause a hot spot and diminish the life expectancy of the bulb. If you are removing the taillight housing, you will need to remove the trunk side interior panels. Please see our article and video on trunk panel removal for additional assistance by following the link at the end of this video. There are 4 8mm nuts holding the unit in place. You will need a deep socket to remove the nuts, yellow arrow. One of the nuts has a plastic cover over it that holds the wiring harness, red arrow. Use a set of cutters and clip the zip tie and then unscrew the plastic clip from the stud, red arrow. You can now reach in and push the housing out from the vehicle. Make sure to give the area where the housing sits a good cleaning before installing. This area can be prone to collect dirt and debris, especially if you live in a 4 seasons climate. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article, along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.